Okay, so to start off, I will drag the column here. I do the half wall using column like this. Okay, so you can drag column, this one. Okay, use this one, column. Okay, so for the column, you can adjust the sizing, just drag the points out. Then you can select and adjust. This one, just follow my wall thickness 240. Okay, and then just copy to the left and to the right. Okay, so it will turn out like this lah. Okay, you can select the column and you can adjust the height. Okay, mine I make it 2008, right? And then I just directly go to free modeling. Go to free modeling. Okay, so this is how it look like. You can see the column in free modeling. Then I just draw the roof. Okay, start with drawing rectangle. Draw rectangle from here to here. And then I stretch the surface up. So I stretch out 300. Okay, and then I will draw one room over here. Okay, draw rectangle. Okay, start from the corner. Okay, this one you adjust your length yourself lah. Okay, measure your length. Then I offset. Okay, offset means copy the rectangle out according to the wall thickness 240, and I stretch the first layer out. Okay, this one follow your own height. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You create one room over here, and then on top you can see this one is missing. Okay, the surface is missing. You can just draw rectangle to cover the missing surface. So if you go inside, it will create one ceiling layer. Okay, here got ceiling layer, right? So you can just go on any surface, draw rectangle and delete the surface, then create a hole.